Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mixing flour, salt, sugar, yeast, and 250 g cold milk into a rough dough now. Mix just until combined to protect gluten. Once mixed, fold gently, then rest for 10-15 minutes to hydrate the flour. Make a butter block while dough rests, tighten it in parchment, and chill to 24 degrees C. When both are cool, press dough to a rectangle and refrigerate 30-45 minutes so it firms up. This makes lamination clean and prevents butter leakage later. You now roll the chilled dough to about a 40 by 20 cm rectangle and center the butter block. Envelope it fully so seams are sealed. Once sealed, roll gently into a long rectangle and do a single turn, rotate, chill 20-30 minutes, then repeat 2 more single turns. This builds flaky layers without breaking butter. After final rest, roll to 6-8 mm thickness, cut 8-9 cm rounds, and press a shallow well in the center to accept fillings while keeping edge height for a round Danish shape. You should pipe or spoon 15-25 g of filling into each well. Cream cheese, jam, or custard work best. Keep filling low so edges rise. Once filled, place rounds on parchment, proof at 26-28 degrees C for 60-90 minutes until visibly puffy and nearly doubled. Brush edges with egg wash just before baking to get color and shine. Bake at 200 degrees C for 12-16 minutes until golden and layered. If something goes wrong, like underproofing, return to a warm spot for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.